All right. So Judge Christopher Reeves, Judge Reeves, I believe his first name is Christopher, Judge Reeves that ruled on the Bullock case out of Mississippi. Today, we're going to applaud Judge Reeves for adhering to the Constitution, following the Second Amendment, adhering to the Constitution, and analyzing using the Bruin standard as outlined in the Bruin case. Judge Reeves followed the law and the Constitution, and that's why the case that he threw out for possession of firearm by a convicted felon was thrown out. Again, following that Bruin standard would mean we looked at it in a historical setting, which the judge went through and analyzed in his opinion, and this was right on point. The decision was right on point. Again, they looked at it in light of the historical event settings as it should have been. And of course, anyone with any sense in those days, when you got out of prison or got out of jail, no one was talking about take your gun, so you couldn't have a gun again. In fact, when you came out of prison, most times your guns and horse were given back to you, right, by the prison official or the warden when you came out of the facility. So to claim that it's constitutional that or that there's been a historical setting for that of taking away guns from felons is just blatantly false. And I think the judge outlined that in this case. This case will be appealed. I think their Fifth Circuit, Slick was telling me if I'm not mistaken. And shout out for Slick for doing the research and bringing up Justice Reeves, Judge Reeves, who I also think was part of the Sentencing Commission or over the Sentencing Commission. So Slick brought that to my attention. Shout out there. But as we say, this case will probably be appealed, goes to the Fifth Circuit. Mississippi appeals to the Fifth Circuit, if I'm not mistaken. So we will follow this case and bring you the latest on it. But this was a shout out to the judge for following the law and probably took a lot of flack from co-workers and other stuff. But no, the judge followed the law. He followed the Bruin standard and he adhered to the Second Amendment of the Constitution. Y'all like, subscribe, and we will catch you on the next one.